അടുത്ത ദിവ്യസ്ഥലം കാണാൻ പോകുന്നത് തിരുവനന്തപുരത്തെ ശ്രീ പത്മനാഭസ്വാമി ക്ഷേത്രമാണ്. According to a legend, the origin of this temple dates back to Treta Yuga. The divine idol of Lord Vishnu was discovered in the forest Anantangadu by a sage, Divakara Muni. This temple is one of the 108 Divyadesha Sthalams. The idol of the Lord is large, spanning 3 doorways of the sanctum. Our Atmalaya dancers are now going to portray the glory and divinity of Padmanabha Swami through a composition of Swati Tirunal, Bhogindra Sayanam, in Ragam Kuntalavarali, Talam Jampai, sung by Srimati Amrita Venkatesh. This dance is sponsored by Naturals, world's fastest growing salon chain.
Bhogindra Sayanam, Bhogindra Sayanam, Urukushaladayanam, 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 Purusham Shashwatam Kalaye, Bhogindra Sayanam, Urukushaladayanam, Purusham Shashwatam Kalaye, Bhogindra Sayanam, Urukushaladayanam, Purusham Shashwatam Kalaye, Bhogindra Sayanam. Vagisha Gurisha, Vagisha Gurisha, Vasavadyamara Parivara Vivandita Param. Vagisha Gurisha, Vasavadyamara Parivara Vivandita Param. Padmanabham Vagisha Gurisha, Vasavadyamara Parivara Vivandita Param. Padmanabham Bhogindra Sayanam, Urukushaladayanam, Purusham Shashwatam Kalaye, Bhogindra Sayanam. Kalitanuti Sanyasi Bhajananuguna Sularikakara Mahitam. Kalitanuti Sanyasi Bhajananuguna Sularikakara Mahitam. Kalushahara Parisarojjwala Padmadithari Khandita Shesha Duditam. Kalushahara Parisarojjwala Padmadithari Khandita Shesha Duditam. Kalashodhavanida Mahendra Trikutavara Malaya Chalendra Vinudam. Kalashodhavanida Mahendra Trikutavara Malaya Chalendra Vinudam. Kaladamara Vanchi Martandavar Magalganachana Vimanalasitam Padmanabham Bhogindra Sayanam. Kalitanuti Sanyasi Bhajananuguna Sularikakara Mahitam. Kalushahara Parisarojjwala Padmadithari Khandita Shesha Duditam. Kalashodhavanida Mahendra Trikutavara Malaya Chalendra Vinudam. Kaladamana Vanchi Martandavar Magalganachana Vimanalasitam Padmanabham Bhogindra Sayanam, Urukushaladayanam, ದೋಷ ಏನು